Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Samsung Pay connected to bank cards, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start withdrawing money using Samsung Pay connected to your bank cards, first ensure your Samsung Pay app is installed on your device. Next, open the Samsung Pay app on your smartphone. Log in using your Samsung account credentials if prompted. Once inside the app, navigate to the cards section. Here, you will see all the bank cards linked to your Samsung Pay account. Select the bank card you wish to withdraw money from. Make sure that your card has sufficient funds available. Next, locate the withdraw or ATM option within the app. Tap on this option to proceed. You may be prompted to enter your PIN for security purposes. After entering your PIN, select the amount you wish to withdraw. Now, find a compatible ATM that accepts Samsung Pay. Approach the ATM and select the option for cardless transactions. Hold your smartphone near the ATM's NFC reader. You might need to unlock your phone for the transaction to go through. Once recognized, the ATM will display a prompt to confirm your withdrawal. Confirm your transaction by reviewing the amount displayed on the ATM screen. After confirmation, the ATM will dispense your cash. Make sure to collect your cash and receipt before leaving. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn money using Samsung Pay connected to your bank card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.